Hello, it's Charlie for the Great Recommender, GYLO and ITBI. If you want the longer version that's going to be on the Great Recommender, ITBI, this is Coin Nation. I believe his name is Preston. He's talking about ICP and BOB. I just got to let him go.
Welcome to Coin Nation, where we talk all things ICP, Web3, and digital assets technology. To my OG citizens, welcome back. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Wow and whoa and mind absolutely blown by what's taking place on the Internet Computer Protocol right now. So much is going on. We have Dom talking about a colossal advancement with blockchain and AI. Once you see it, he says you can't unsee it. I mean, that's supposed to be coming sometime this month. We have, Coin Market Cap having to do an about face. They got to act right because the ICP community is out here. We out here, right? They got to act right. And they tried to blacklist. They tried to shadow ban. They tried to do what this crypto swamp does best, but they failed miserably. And they had to restore us back, in my opinion, in the hottest narrative category that there is in crypto, which is AI. And right after that, we had Decide AI. I think probably the most notable AI project on the Internet Computer, getting featured on Cointelegraph, front and center, putting ICP even further on the map, right? You can't hide the first large language model deployed on the blockchain. You just can't hide it, right? So the crypto swamp knows what's coming. They know that eventually people are gonna understand the unique capabilities of ICP, and when pegged against everything else, you start to understand where true Web3 lives. And it's on ICP. Then we had Water Neuron going absolutely bonkers in terms of the governance token. If you don't see enough to get yourself some NICP exposure, to get yourself some WTN exposure, I don't know what else you need to see. I really don't. But what's all the rave right now is what we're going to talk about today, and that is blockchain on blockchain. How sexy does that sound? AKA BOB. And it's got folks just going nuts right now all over the ICP community. Everyone is participating. Everyone wants in on the action. So we're going to talk about what BOB is, why is everybody aping into this thing, and what does it mean for you as an ICP investor. If this sounds bullish to you, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into it. All right, guys, before we get too deep into BOB, let's get some high-level context on the technology involved, because it'll shed light on why BOB is so significant and how that relates to why ICP is unrivaled technology. So as you may already know, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates without a central authority. Instead, a network of computers called nodes validate and secure transactions. Some of the nodes are also miners that collect these transactions into blocks, then solve cryptographic puzzles in a process called mining. This puzzle involves finding a number, a nonce, that when hashed with the block's data produces a hash that meets a certain criteria. When you think hash, think encrypted output from a encryption algorithm, such as one popular one is SHA-256. Do not get put off by all these technical gobbledygook. Just know that this is blockchain. This is the basic blockchain technology. You have miners solving problems, and if the miner succeeds, it's able to add a block to the chain if it succeeds first before all the other miners.